Enjoy this delicious pork stew with a hot bun on a cold rainy night. Your family will love it. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 850 grams of lean pork cut into 1-inch cube, 250 grams of baby carrot, 1 big bowl of garlic with the skin removed and crushed, 1 large yellow onion cut into small cubes, 1/4 cups of frozen green pea, 7 to 8 stems of fresh rosemary, 15 grams of butter, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cups of water, and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. First, marinate the pork. Put all the pork into a mixing bowl. Add in the salt, and the pepper. Give it a mix and leave it aside to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, heat the pan, add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait for the oil to heat up. Add in all crushed garlic and stir for about 25 seconds or until garlic releases its aroma. Add in half of the rosemary. Give it a couple of stir. Wow, the rosemary fragrance is so aromatic. Add in all the marinated pork. Give it a stir. Use the spatula to spread out the pork over the garlic and rosemary so that it will infuse with a lovely fragrance. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now we can give it a stir. While the pork is cooking, add in all the butter for additional fragrance. Continue to stir until all the pork changes to a pale color. This will take about 3.5 minutes. Now the edges of the pork have been sealed, which will lock in its juices. The pork is not completely cooked yet, which is okay. Next, add in all the chopped yellow onions, all of the carrots, and give it a thorough mix before putting them in the Instant Pot, as it is easier to mix in the pan than in the Instant Pot. Alright, all the ingredients are well mixed. Switch off the heat. Next, transfer everything into the Instant Pot. Add in all water and the rest of the rosemary. That's all for the ingredients. Place the container back into the Instant Pot. Cover the lid and set the valve to airtight. Switch on the heat, set the time for 20 minutes and press start. 1 more minute to go. Alright, the pork stew is cooked. Next, release the steam from the pot. Wait until all the pressure is released. Okay, now we can open the lid. Oh wow, the smell is so lovely. See, there is a lot of gravy. Stir a little. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious and very sweet. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. However, this stew is already tasty and perfect. Next, add in all the green peas, stir, and cover the lid to allow the residual heat to continue soften the pork and cook the green peas. I will leave it here for a minimum of 1 hour. Ideally, it would taste better if it can rest for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 hours, let's check on the stew. Open the lid. Give it a stir. The carrot looks really soft. The pork should be really soft too. Look, both carrot and pork are still holding its shape. They didn't melt down into the gravy. Lovely. Transfer it into the serving bowl. I'm using a casserole for this. Wow, it looks super yummy. Let's eat. So delicious. The pork is super soft and carrot just melt in the mouth. Gravy is so sweet and the rosemary fragrance enhances this tasty stew. Serve it with hot bun for maximum deliciousness. Lovely. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.